Hey, what's up guys? Samsung Galaxy A51 has been one of the best selling Samsung smartphones recently. So I decided to see for myself what all the fuss was about, and I've got here A51 and it's time to unbox this phone. But before that, let's take a look at the specifications first. At the time of this video, it is retailing for $293 on Amazon. For this price, the feature set included in this phone is quite impressive. It has a massive 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Infinity O display with a punch hole for the camera. The model that I have here has a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, which can be extended further to up to 512GB with SD card. It also features a quad camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 5 megapixel depth lens that allows for capturing live focus effects. The front camera is a 32 megapixel shooter. There is a 4000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging support. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner just like the Galaxy flagships. And finally, everything is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. Now that we have the specifications out of the way, let's unbox. In the box, we have usual USB-C cable, cheap headphones, and fast charging power brick. Oh, and we also get a silicone case in the box. My first impression holding this phone is that it is lightweight and compact despite its massive screen size. We have USB-C port, speaker grill, mic, and audio jack at the bottom. Volume and power buttons both are now on the right, making power button much more accessible. The back is made up of glossy plastic, which is a fingerprint magnet and is already getting messy. There is a camera module on the top left corner at the back, which houses the 4 camera lenses and the flash. And this pump also makes the phone to wiggle on the flat surface, not something that I am actually bothered by. Time to get to the startup process and get into the phone. Right now it's running on Android version 10 and One UI version 2.0, soon to be updated to 2.1. This 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display just looks gorgeous. There is no doubt that Samsung makes the best-in-class AMOLED display and it shows here. We also get the latest camera software with all the bells and whistles you expect from a Samsung phone. We have an ultra-wide mode, live focus, and a macro mode here. And in the settings, there are a lot more options that you can play around with. Playing games like Call of Duty is also no problem for its octa-core processor as the performance is impressive. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's pretty good for the price tag that this phone comes with. In the settings, once again, there are tons of features and options to meddle with. The motion and gesture control, one-handed mode, game launcher, dual messenger, you name it, it's all here. One thing that I've noticed is that with the change of position of the power button to the right, its function has also changed. A long press will now launch Bixby instead of initiating power off menu. And to power off, you actually have to press the power button and the volume button simultaneously. But sweat not. If you don't like it, you can go in the advanced features in the settings menu and go in the side key option, and here you can change it back to long press to initiate power off. So these are the few things I noticed straight away after unboxing this phone. And a lot has been left to uncover and talk about in the review, which I will soon. Let me know if you want me to cover anything specific in my review. That's about it from this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, hit that bell icon for the future video updates. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.